Bonjour, this is Laetitia, and you are listening to Cultivate Your French podcast, the slow version of One Thing in a French Day podcast. I hope you are well and happy. Today's episode takes us back in the kitchen. The girls and I cooked a clafoutis, a typical summer fruits recipe. I did it with apricots, but the classical version is with dark cherries. Clafoutis are also very good with peaches. If you bake it without the fruits, it's a fait, typical of the Burgundy region. In Brittany, this kind of recipe is made with pruneaux, dried prunes, and it's called le fait breton. Thank you so much for your enthusiasm about the podcast. All the information about the transcript is available in English at cultivateyourfrench.com. Et maintenant, parlons français.